This is a 1999 Lasko 12-inch desk table fan, model 2000. I got this fan from a Salvation Army thrift store for I think $7. It's in overall pretty much brand new condition. It's got very little use on it. The fan was perfectly clean when I got it. It's got all four of its gauge clips still. In my opinion, this was the last good desk fan that Lasko ever made. Pretty powerful, very quiet, definitely quieter than the table fan they make today. Uses a GE motor, just like the big wall fans did, and the little wall fans. And those big old stand fans they used to make, that they still do make, and they still use the same GE motor, I'm pretty sure. It's definitely got a very high-powered motor, because I've put an old-style Galaxy blade on this thing, like a brown amber one, and it ran it just as good as it does these ones, and of course it made the fan a lot more powerful. I wish I had a gray Galaxy blade or something that I could actually leave on this fan. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.